understand. Like how you can pick up and start to fight when someone else decides what's wrong from right. And I've never cared too much for politics, but something about this doesn't seem to stick. And I'm not gonna press my point of view. You got plenty of people telling you what to do, but I'd give any badge in the world to bring you home to mama's baby girl. Don't you worry, I'm alright. I'll be waiting up tonight. Where you are, you just might hear me say, please be safe, and I miss you. Taught to comfort those in need, to stand up tall for all that we believe. But I believe it's been too long since you've been home. Things just aren't the same over the phone. And I remember back when you and I were kids, and I looked up to everything you did. Even now, there are times that I pretend that I'm right back there playing with my best friend. Now I've been told that there's a greater cost to justify the lives that have been lost. Oh, but damn to hell what they believe if they ever take your life from me. So listen to me closely when I say, please be safe, 'cause I miss you. You sent, I read them every time. Don't you dare forget that you're always on my mind. So please come home, please come home. I miss you. Now moms around the world are getting sad, and boys are growing up without their dads. Maybe if we all wished hard enough, both sides would get tired and just give up. 'Cause I think somewhere the lines have all been crossed, and I can't decide which nation's better off.
In my Valentín a Trčáková Kristýna. Na 6. místě se umístilo startovní číslo 3, a to je Diamonds Classicisi a Poláková Alexandra. Na 5. místě se umístilo startovní číslo 39 Sivána Skibdanek a Říkovská Linda. Na 4. místě se umístilo startovní číslo 24 Gamblers Invitation Into Vinit a Petr Jančík. Na 3. místě je 68. To je Pepsi Budilák a Bláhová Petra. Na 2. místě je startovní číslo 16 Skipin at Full Moon a Pančešková Irena. A místo první získává RJ Good Invitation a Orsák Jiří. Tohle byly výsledky pana rozhodčí.